Today I'm doing a weight update video, how much weight I lost in the month of January, and some tips that help me get my good loss in for the month. So if you'd like to see it, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a bit of an update on my weight loss. I traveled from Ohio to Florida, worked a couple weeks at the Hard Rock, and during the month of January, I lost 16.5 pounds. And that was a really good. I had a good start with my first week. It was 9.5. My second week was 2.5, and then on the rest of the month, I lost a total of 4.5 pounds. So that made a total of 16.5, and that is what I would be starting off my cruise with. But in the meantime, there's some of the things I did to help me get there. I avoided sugar. I did not eat any kinds of sugar or added sugar. No bakery, no candy, nothing that would cause me to have cravings, because I do believe that sugar causes cravings. The second thing that helped me have a good weight loss was drinking water. I like to drink about a gallon of water a day. I just start off the day drinking 8 ounces of water, and always drink at least 8 ounces before every meal. Cuts down the appetite and helps you get water in. One of my things I do, I like to drink room temperature water. It helps me drink it faster. And I also will add flavor drops in it, like flavors like iced tea or raspberry, just something different that just gives the water a bit of an extra flavor. I also tried to get in some extra fitness, whether it was walking or dancing or anything to get extra movement in. It always helps. And when you restart on a weight loss program, you have to realize that that first week is usually a lot of water weight. It was after the holidays, and I had a really good first week, but I was able to stay on track the whole month. I tracked every day, which is another good idea that helps you. You don't realize what you're eating if you're not tracking it. So, I mean, I know a lot of people may not use Weight Watchers. I like the Weight Watcher Point program. A lot of people track calories or just portion control maybe, but I do like to track the points for Weight Watchers, so it helps me stay on track. So that is another thing that helped me to lose weight. And I think the last thing that really helped me stay on track was I thought about my why, and when I did want to maybe eat a little bit more or have a little food that I didn't want to, I would think about why I'm doing it. I remember what I look like when I'm looking in the mirror, saw my weight gain back, and that's one of the things that motivated me to help me stay on track. Please comment below on how you did for the month of January, and if you use any of these ideas that helped you stay on track and focused and lose some weight and get a good start to 2024. That's going to be the end of my weigh-in update for the month of January. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.